This is Azad and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you another interview puzzle, which is the water jug problem. So this is a very important problem and it's a very easy problem. So you have two water jugs, 4 liter and another one measures 9 liter, and you have to measure 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liter up to 9 liters using these two water jugs. And you can pour water from 4 liter to 9 liter or 9 liter to 4 liter any number of times you want, and there is no marking label on any of these water jugs. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. So let's create two water jugs. Okay, let's say this one here is the 4 liter water jug, and this one here, let's say, is the 9 liter water jug. Okay, this is your 4 liter and this is your 9 liter. Now you simply have 4 liter and 9 liter water jugs with you, so you have already measured 4 liter and 9 liter. Okay, now to measure 8 liter, what you can do, you simply have a 4 liter water jug, so you can fill this water jug two times and put this into this 9 liter. So this, you will fill this 4 liter and pour the water into 9 liter, so it will be filled, let's say, at this point. After this, you'll fill this water 4 liter and put this into 9 liter, so it will be filled at this point. So at that time 8 liter water will be present in this 9 liter. Okay, so you have measured 8 liter. Now you can measure 5 liter. So you'll fill this 9 liter water jug completely and you will pour the water into 4 liter. So this 4 liter will be completely filled and 9 liter will be left with 5 liter water. Okay, so you have measured till now 4 liter, 5 liter, 8 liter and 9 liter. Okay, now another, now to measure let's say 1 liter, what you can do, you can fill this 9 liter completely and you will pour the water um, until this, until 1 liter water is left in this 9 liter. So you'll fill this 9 liter completed, you will pour the water into 4 liter, so you will have 5 liter remaining, and you will, and this will be completely filled. So you will empty this 4 liter again. You will pour the water from this 9 liter to in this 4 liter, so this will be filled completely and only 1 liter water will be left in this 9 liter. Okay, so you have measured 1 liter. Now to measure 3 liter, what you can do, you can fill this water into this 4 liters, and you have to pour this water into 9 liter until the only 3 liter is left in this 4 liter. So what you can do, you will fill this 4 liter and you will pour the water into this 9 liter. So it will have, it will be filled up to, let's say, this point, this 4 liter. Again you will fill this 4 liter and pour the water in this 9 liter, so it will be filled, let's say, at this point. So this one is 8 liter. Again you will fill the water 4 liter and you will put the water over here, so it will be filled completely and you will be left with 3 liter water in this 4 liter. So you have measured 3 liters also. Okay, now you are left with 2 liter, 6 liter and 7 liter. Okay, so let's say you have 2 liter, you have measured 2 liter. So what, now what you can do, you can simply pour, you can simply put this 2 liter water into this 4 liter water jug, and you will fill this 9 liter water jug completely and you will pour the water into this 4 liter. Okay, so it will be filled completely and in this 9 liter, you'll be left with 7 liter. So with this 2 liter we can get 7 liters. Now how to find this 6 liter? So let's say in this 4 liter water jug, you have filled 1 liter water here. Okay, and you can fill this 9 liter water jug completely and you will pour the remaining water into this 4 liter. Okay, so here 1 liter is here and 3 liter will be here, and you will be left with 6 liter. So you need to repeat the process for 1 liter. So what you can do, now to find out 1 liter, you have already got the 1 liter, so in that solution we have 1 liter which is left over here. Okay, so you need to empty this glass and you need to pour the 1 liter water into this 4 liter water jug, and again you have to fill this 9 liter completely and you will fill this water into this 4 liter and you will be left with 6 liter. Okay, you have measured 6 liter. Now you have 6 liter, so with this 6 liter you can get 2 liters. How you can get? You need to fill this 9 liter water with 6 liter, and you will fill this water into this. You need to pour that water into this 4 liter water jug. Okay, so you will be left with 2 liter into this 9 liter water jug. Okay, so you have measured 2 liter also, and now to measure 7 liters, we'll just have to put 2 liter water over here, and we'll fill 9 liter water jug completely, and we'll pour the water into this 4 liter, and we'll left with 7 liters. Okay, so I guess you guys have understood the solution. If you have any problem, do write them in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.